Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to show you how to add an APR channel on Agama Analyzer OTT and how to enable monitoring of it. The first thing one needs to do is to log into Analyzer OTT with administration credentials. So once you're logged in, then you go to the monitoring setup and navigate to the menu Assets. In this view, we can see that there are already some templates defined and some monitors are added. But if you don't have any templates or monitors added, then what you need to do is to define a new template. So let's add a template so that we can show you what settings are there. So click on a new template and give it a name. And give it a location of this analyzer. And select the type of protocol your APR content belongs to. For example, if it is an HLS based URL, then select the protocol as HLS. And if it is a live channel or VOD channel, select the type accordingly. Likewise, if it is an MPEG dash or a smooth streaming type of APR content, then select that. So let's add one template for the HLS channel, and let's use the name here to identify for which protocol we are going to create a template. Let's leave the container format for audio and video as it is until or unless you have it in MPEG-2 transport stream format. Let's enable an alarm template, which is already created, or we can use a default alarm template. There are some default settings. For now, we can just leave them as they are. And for the HLS protocol, as we are going to add an HLS URL, let's leave the default settings enabled here. Video analysis level and audio analysis level, you can change it to different levels based on the type of license you have. But let's say we select them as advanced. In this section, if your stream is encrypted, then you need to enable a decryption if you would like to monitor that stream on the decrypted level. Likewise, since we are monitoring this stream in advanced level, so it is possible to also enable the black screen and freeze frame detection time. So let's say we configure the trigger time as 1 second for both. It would mean that if the analyzer would see a black screen for 1 second, then it will trigger an alarm for that. Likewise for black screen as well. Note that these settings needs to be changed according to the sensitivity level. Let's press OK. Now we have our template enabled. And now what we need to do is to create an asset. For example, let's go here and add a new asset and give it a name like test APR channel. And when you add the URL, you need to fetch it so that all the profiles which are under this URL can be fetched. And one needs to also select a template. So for this example, we created a template here. And now we do a fetch again. And here one can either enable all the profiles to be monitored, or you can enable a specific profile. So both of the options are there. So let's say if we enable only 3 and just leave the 4th one here. And then we press OK. Now we have our channel configured here, and here it shows that Out of 4 profiles, only 3 are enabled. And the important thing here is that once you have done all the changes, configure the template and the monitor, then you have to press Save and Apply button. We get a pop-up here, configuration saved, and now this channel is enabled for the monitoring. If you click on this channel name, then slowly you will start to see that there would be some monitoring content which will start to appear here. Right now, as the monitoring has just started, so it will not show. But let's say that we can select any other profile or any other channel here. If I click on ABCD TV, then this is how it looks like when a channel is under monitoring and it has been running for a while. And you can see the status of the monitored profile. Here we can see the detailed logs, which one can refer to understand what is going on or what has been analyzed here. Likewise, you can also select or move around this brush, and then you will get the events for the corresponding time range here. It is also possible to just look at the logs for a specific time range when the test has been running for a specific profile. And here it is combining all of them. Or you can just click on those selected segments again, and then these will get deselected. So this is just a very small introduction. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@agama.tv. Thank you for watching.